Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and ZTE Axon 30. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Press this button on the top of the screen, enter TV you want to connect with, confirm, and your smartphone is connected to TV. Now you can play anything you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. To disconnect, again press this button and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.